Right now.
I do this little sour head test, man. They really hot for real, man. These little motherfucking things right here, they hot. You can get them at the grocery store, the candy store, the brand new ones with the green bag with the zap. One of them, the little lightning. We've been eating these bitches all day in school, and niggas couldn't take it.
Look at her mouth. Look at that.
You see all that shit? Oh, so we about to put 4 of these in her mouth. They're very sour. They even made a nigga like me cry, a real nigga. So, look at her. Look at her mouth. Ain't nothing in there. No ice, no nothing. So we about to put 4 in there. Ready? Set, go. Is it wet for her hoodie? Alright, she got shit on her tongue. You see what that do to you? Do you see that? Look at the camera.
Keep your head up. Keep your head up. Keep your head up.
That was it, Jay.
Flip him. Nah, take him.
It hurt.
Take it. Keep going. Damn, look at that. No, film your thumb.
Don't cry. Cause I am.
When your thumb.
Yeah, I'm gonna cry. No, I'm crying.
Damn. Look at that, bro.
Camera.
It goes.
He's crying. Eyes watering.
Let's get close. Get it closer.
Tell me how it feels. Sour.
Look at her eyes.
She about to cry.
Yeah, man, what you just saying was another Dinella Flair, and it was sour.
Yeah, 7 echo.
And that's it.